Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the inverter power control board in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new inverter power control board. The inverter power control board is located at the back of the refrigerator behind the cover panel. It converts the incoming AC line voltage into variable DC voltage to power up the compressor. If the compressor on your refrigerator doesn't work, it's time to check the inverter power control board and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this cover that is held in place by 3 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver and take the screws out. And then we can open the cover and pull it out. As you can see, there's 2 tabs at the bottom. So we need to remove the control board. To do that, we need to bend up this tab on the top, and then we can pull it out. And at this point, we can easily remove these power plugs. Press in the tab, and this one, and finally that small one. This is the old inverter power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Please be aware, you should handle this control board only by the sides. Do not touch any internal parts unless you discharge your body's static electricity. Alright, so handle the control board by the sides only. Do not touch any parts internally here. And we're going to connect the plugs. And the third one. Now we're going to install it. First, we're going to slide that bottom in there and then push in. Alright, and now we're going to place the cover on. There's 2 tabs at the bottom, goes into the slots here. Put it in, and then it's a little tricky. We need to place this power cord here, right there. So this screw at the bottom will not only hold the cover, but also will hold the power cord bracket. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.